Welcome to the butcher's shop. We're going to work through together and build our butcher's shop. First thing to do is to colour in your butcher shop. Colour in the little sausage on the side and above the window. And there's a couple of dogs that seem to be sniffing in the back window. So I hope you enjoyed colouring that in. The next thing you want to do is to cut out each of those three parts. To cut it out, we'll be using a ruler and a knife. You also need some glue. I use mine as a glue tape, and you'll need one of these clip pencils. I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to fast forward it because I'm a guy, I can't multitask. I need to cut. If I talk and cut, I may lose a finger. Look. See you on the other side. Now that you've cut out your pieces, what you need to do is not glue it, but to grab your clip pencil and to use your scoring tool and score along all of the fold lines. Fold lines are indicated with the dotted lines on your illustration. Okay people, welcome back. The next step is to glue all our glue tabs. The glue tabs are these things with the little crosshatch pattern in them. I like to make each part up as I glue it, otherwise I have lots of little sticky things lying around. They tend to strangely be attracted to each other. And these tabs just fold over and line across the back. Give your awning a little bit of structure. I'm going to put this awning aside for now. And I'm going to glue our main section. Okay, we've glued our main section. Now, if you've done any of the other models, you'll know that the first thing we always do is to connect our walls. With that little tab, it's good to get it aligned. It's pretty easy if you just lay it flat and line up the bottom. Push it into place and pop it out, and you start to see your butcher shop come into play. The next thing we want to do is to fold our floor tabs in. You've done the 4 little tabs in the corners. All you need to do is fold those in first and then pop over the outer flaps and just pinch them in, giving yourself a little floor that will allow your butcher shop to sit up. I'm going to attach my awning now before I put my roof on. You can see that dotted line that was on the front of that butcher shop. want to align the top of your awning with that. I think that looks quite smart. You'd trust meat that was sold from them, wouldn't you? And then with the roof, we just fold these panels into place, and then the top flap folds over and locks that triangle in the roof. And the same thing happens on the other side. Locks it in. And you'll notice that sometimes these things might want to sit in funny positions, so just try and get them perfectly straight and just nib these in place. Makes it easier to attach the roof than if they're flailing wildly. I put the little side tab underneath because there's more glue on that. Right, now the roof is ready for the roof. Now the trick with the roof is not to butt up flush with one side. You want eaves to go over the front and a little bit of eaves to go over the back. So I just make sure I'm happy with my positioning. Get the spine of my roof in first, and then gently just check where it is before I... Gently is the key word with all of these. Gently pop them on when you're happy with how it looks. Just burnish that roof on to the glue panels. There you have it. A little butcher shop ready to add to your Christmas village. I wonder if they've got any turkeys left. Let's hope so. I'll see you on the other side.